Hello everyone, so this is just a really quick video. This is an Aliexpress haul that I got recently and I just wanted to show you what I bought. So I'm just going to get these out of the packets now. We'll do the little bag first. This was just some gemstones that I got, some like rhinestones, they're not expensive ones. So the first one, I got this set, and the top ones, the row of top ones are AB crystals and the bottom ones are just silver ones. So I'll be able to see a bit more from the back. So yeah, I needed some of those, so I just bought those. I can't remember how much they were, not a lot. And then I really like opal, so I got some opal ones. I've got an opal nails video coming up soon, so make sure you watch that. It might already be up actually. So I got some pink ones. These are pink opal ones, some blue ones there, and these were advertised as white ones, but they look blue. But yeah, I love those as well. So got all those. I think they're about £1 each, something like that. These were probably less than £1 actually. So you can't go wrong with that, can you really? Sorry about my voice, I'm still getting over my cold. I just can't seem to shift it. My voice will go alright, but then the cold and the headaches and the aches and everything is still there, so I'm sorry for whinging, but that's why I've just been doing really some haul videos and some swatching videos because I already had them recorded and I could just sort of edit them and upload them because I'm just not feeling well enough to doing sets of nails at the moment. So yeah, this is from the, I can't remember what store I got those from. I'll try and link it in the description box, but I went to the Modelones store on Aliexpress just to see what that was like, and I got a load of things that are in this bag. But I just wanted to say as well that the shipping on these was really quick. I actually ordered quite a lot of stuff a couple of weeks ago, and I ordered these later than everything else, but these actually came first, so it wasn't even 2 weeks, it was probably about 10 days, and then these were here, so I was really impressed with that. I'd definitely order from there again, because it's quicker than Modelones website. So the first thing I got was these two little teeny weeny tubes of poly gel. Now I did a swatch video, a review video on some Modelones poly gel a long time ago, and this colour, soft pink, was in them. And then I did another swatch video on a different set of Modelones poly gels a while after that, and there was a soft pink in there, but it was a different colour. But I love this one because I opened one of these just to have a look if it was the same. It's not that one, it's this one. It does say soft pink, but actually it's more white. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a milky white with a very slight pink tinge to it. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm running out of that, so I just got these two little ones, and I think these were about 70p each, something like that. So cheap. What else did I get? I got some polishes. What's this one? Oh, this is the pink one. So this is like the brightest pink that was on there, and I just thought that looked really gorgeous, so I chose that. So that's that one. I got another polish. This is a black, I think, because I got some cat eye stuff, so I wanted to use the black. So yeah, that's just the black one. I also got a magnet. This is quite heavy. I don't know how powerful this is, but I wanted a proper one because I've been using one, my husband's little magnet that I just stuck to a pencil, and it just wasn't, I mean, it did work, but I wanted a proper one, and plus my husband nicked it back anyway, so I've not got it anymore. What else is in here? Oh, I got some 9D cat eye gel. So that is the first one. I think there was another one. Where's the other one gone? Oh right, here is the other one. So I've already opened this one. I've not swatched any of these. Oh, I forgot I took the cover off. So that is a blue one. I just nearly spilled that everywhere. That's very runny, that gel, so be careful with that. It's really runny. So this one should be the pink one that I really, really wanted. That's good that it's got this little tab, so I should be able to... Oh, it's already open. I must have opened this and I forgot. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, I can't wait to swatch those. I'm not swatching them in this video. This is just a quick haul video, but I will be swatching them soon. Oh yeah, I got some more crystals. I forgot about that. I forgot about these. They were in a different bag. So I got these because I thought these bottles were gorgeous that they come in. I don't know if you can see inside there. But what they are, they're like little white AB caviar beads. And they've got little AB gems in them as well. I'm not going to take them out because I'll end up spilling them everywhere. But that's that one. And I got a pink one as well. So I can't wait to use them. I also got, with those, I got some of these little teeny weeny caviar beads. I thought there'd be more in the pot actually, but for the price I can't complain. So yeah, that is them. I love how they just carry on moving. Sound of them is really funny as well. Okay, so that is those, because I've got a design in mind to do with those with Valentine's Day. And then the next thing and the last thing are all these, which are the Azure dip powders. So these came in a set, and to be honest, I didn't read the description properly and I didn't know that they were this small. So that was a bit of a shock when they came and I was like, oh, they're that small. But there's 8 here and I paid £6 for this set, which means that they're less than £1 each. So I can't moan at that, can I really? So these are the glitter ones. And I've not opened any of these ones. Oh no, and I ordered this one separately. This is the clear, because I wanted some of that. Because when I was trying to do sweater nails and things like that, I really needed a clear and I just didn't have one. So that is for that, and maybe encapsulating and things. So I'm just going to go through these ones. They do all have numbers on, but there's no names of the colours. This is a nice pink one. Just move this light a little bit. So I don't know if these have a protective seal, so I'll be careful when I open them. Oh yes, they do. Just get my tweezers. Oh wow, look at that. So I can't wait to swatch these. Oh yeah, so I will be doing a swatch video on these. So that is that one. This is a pinky one as well. Looks quite pinky. These are supposed to be quite chunky, the glitters in these. So they will be different, because the ones that I've seen so far have just been quite fine. Oh, that does look quite fine actually, but I suppose till you stir it up and shake it, you can't really tell. What else have we got? This is like a green one. Oh yeah, that's nice. So yeah, things like this, you just can't tell how nice they are till you actually swatch them, so we'll be doing that. This looks more like a nude. Oh, that's like more gold than I expected. Oh, I like that. Very nice. So what have we got left? This looks like a grey one. So even though they are tiny, it gives you a bit of difference, doesn't it? I mean, you could have different ones on each nail. So that's like a dark grey. You can see the bigger bits of glitter shining in there. So these look almost the same. Very, very slight difference. But I noticed that when I swatched, sorry, my camera cut off there. So that is that one. Obviously when I swatch them, I will tell you what the numbers are and everything. Oh, that's more like a lilac one. Oh, that's nice. That's lovely, that one. Oh, I'm excited. I can't swatch them now because I've got someone coming to have the nails done, so I've got to do this quick. I shouldn't have opened them really, because now I just want to mess with them. Oh, look at that. That one's got stars in. Oh, oh, I do like that. Oh, lovely. Okay, so that is it for the haul. That is everything that I got from Aliexpress. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. These were all ordered, like I say, a couple of weeks ago. I am waiting for some more things from Aliexpress. So if you like these haul videos, I might do another one showing what else I got. It's just, I think, let me try and think what I've got coming. I've got some drill bits coming. So it's not really exciting stuff, really. It's not like exciting glitter dip powder and 9D cat eye gels. But yeah, so I will do some swatches, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. My giveaway is live now, so make sure that you go and watch it. I will link it in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.